Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the field of view in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to go to video and find the field of view slider. So this option right here, and you can adjust the field of view to whatever you want, so higher numbers means bigger field of view. And then just once you've selected the option, press save, and you can exit out, and your field of view will be changed. So as you can see, my field of view is now bigger, and I can see more like details on the side compared to what I have been able to see previously. So let me just show you. I'm gonna lower the field of view, and now as you can see, I can barely see this little airplane on the left. So let me just adjust it again to show you once again. There we go, now I can see more of this airplane. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.